ISF and C-TPAT Collaboration. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will explore the connection between Importer Security Filing, ISF, and the Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism, C-TPAT. Both ISF and C-TPAT aim to enhance supply chain security and mitigate the risk of terrorism in international trade. Let's delve deeper into this topic. ISF and C-TPAT shared objectives. ISF and C-TPAT share a common objective of enhancing supply chain security. ISF focuses on import cargo security, while C-TPAT promotes comprehensive supply chain security measures throughout the entire logistics process. Both programs aim to protect the integrity and safety of the global supply chain against terrorism-related risks. Voluntary participation. Both ISF and C-TPAT are voluntary programs. Importers can choose to participate in ISF and submit the required pre-shipment data, while companies involved in the supply chain can apply to become C-TPAT certified by implementing security measures and meeting the program's eligibility criteria. Risk assessment and mitigation. ISF and C-TPAT both involve risk assessment and mitigation measures. ISF allows customs authorities to assess the risk level of incoming shipments based on the provided data, while C-TPAT assesses the overall security posture of supply chain participants and encourages the adoption of best practices to mitigate risks. Enhanced supply chain security measures. C-TPAT promotes the implementation of comprehensive security measures, including physical security, access controls, personnel security, and information technology security. ISF, on the other hand, focuses on electronic data submission that enhances the ability to identify and target potential security risks. Mutual benefits. Participation in ISF and C-TPAT offers mutual benefits to importers and supply chain participants. Importers who comply with ISF requirements demonstrate their commitment to supply chain security, which can enhance their eligibility for C-TPAT certification and associated benefits, such as expedited customs processing and increased supply chain reliability. Collaboration between government and industry. Both ISF and C-TPAT promote collaboration between government agencies, such as customs authorities, and industry stakeholders. Customs authorities gain valuable information through ISF submissions to assess and assist in supply chain security, while companies that participate in C-TPAT collaborate closely with customs authorities to enhance security measures. Access to expedited processing. Importers who submit ISF data and are certified under C-TPAT may benefit from expedited processing at ports of entry. These benefits include reduced inspections, prioritized clearance, and faster movement of goods through customs, resulting in improved logistics efficiency and reduced costs. Audits and evaluations. Both ISF and C-TPAT involve periodic audits and evaluations to ensure ongoing compliance and implementation of security measures. Customs authorities may conduct audits to verify the accuracy and completeness of ISF submissions, while C-TPAT participants undergo validation and revalidation processes to assess their continued adherence to program requirements. Supply chain security best practices. C-TPAT provides importers and supply chain participants with guidelines and best practices for maintaining supply chain security. These best practices align with the principles of ISF, emphasizing accurate data submission, risk assessment, collaboration, and vigilance in maintaining supply chain security. Risk-based targeting. ISF and C-TPAT contribute to risk-based targeting of cargo and supply chain participants. ISF data allows customs authorities to focus their resources on higher-risk shipments, while C-TPAT certification enables customs authorities to prioritize their efforts on trusted, low-risk supply chain partners. Information sharing and intelligence. Both ISF and C-TPAT emphasize the importance of information sharing and intelligence cooperation. ISF data, along with other information collected through C-TPAT, contributes to an intelligence-driven approach to targeting and mitigating security risks in international trade. Continuous improvement. Participation in ISF and C-TPAT demonstrates a commitment to continuous improvement and supply chain security enhancement. Importers and supply chain participants strive to maintain compliance, implement security measures, and actively engage in the ongoing improvement of their security posture. Reaping long-term benefits. Participation in ISF and C-TPAT offers long-term benefits beyond immediate supply chain security. By demonstrating a commitment to security, importers and supply chain participants can enhance their reputation, establish partnerships, and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Industry collaboration and networking. Participation in C-TPAT provides opportunities for industry collaboration and networking. Importers and supply chain participants can engage in best practice sharing, attend workshops and conferences, and collaborate with trusted partners to enhance supply chain security collectively. Regulatory compliance and security synergies. ISF and C-TPAT embrace the synergy between regulatory compliance and supply chain security. By complying with ISF requirements, importers can align themselves with C-TPAT security guidelines, reinforcing the importance of accurate data submission, risk assessment, and security measures adoption. Global recognition. Participating in ISF and C-TPAT can enhance global recognition and credibility for importers and supply chain participants. These programs demonstrate a commitment to high security standards, which can be appealing to both customers and business partners around the world. Continuous education and training. Importers and supply chain participants involved in ISF and C-TPAT should prioritize education and training. Staying updated on customs regulations, security requirements, and emerging industry trends is essential to maintain compliance, improve security measures, and reap the full benefits of these programs. Adaptation to emerging threats. ISF and C-TPAT continually adapt to emerging security threats and global trends. Importers and supply chain participants need to stay informed about these changes and proactively align their security measures and practices to address evolving risks effectively. Cross-border collaboration. ISF and C-TPAT foster cross-border collaboration to enhance supply chain security. Importers and supply chain participants should engage in collaboration initiatives, share best practices, and coordinate efforts to ensure a holistic and cohesive approach to global supply chain security. Thank you for watching today's video on the connection between importer security filing, ISF, and the Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism, C-TPAT. By participating in ISF and C-TPAT, importers and supply chain participants demonstrate their commitment to supply chain security, enhance global trade facilitation, and gain access to mutual benefits. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you in our upcoming videos.